Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Stremio app on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your mobile device and navigate to the search section by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner. This will bring up the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, type Stremio into the search bar and hit search. Once you see the Stremio app in the search results, tap on the download button to install it. After the app is downloaded, open it by tapping on the Stremio icon. You may be prompted to sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by providing your email address and setting a password. After signing in, you can browse through a variety of series and movies available on the app's home screen. Simply select a series or movie you like by tapping on its thumbnail or title. This action will take you to the Contents Details page, where you can read a synopsis and explore related content. So that's basically how you can use Stremio on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.